Ready to ditch the document chaos and automate your Google Drive with the power of N8n. Let's jump right in and connect N8n to your Google Drive account, step by step. First, open N8n and create a new workflow, or open an existing one where you want to integrate Google Drive. Click the plus icon to add your first node in the search bar. Type Google Drive and select the Google Drive node. Now, in the Google Drive node configuration panel, you'll see a drop-down menu for authentication. Select Create New Credential. This will open a new window prompting you to set up your Google Drive API credentials. Choose OAuth2. Then label the credentials. Next, you'll need to get the client ID and client secret from your Google Cloud project. Head over to the Google Cloud console. Make sure you've selected the correct project and navigate to the Credentials section under AP and Services. If you don't have OAuth 20 credentials already, create them by clicking Create Credentials, then OAuth Client ID. Select Web Application as the application type in the Authorized JavaScript Origins and Authorized Redirect URLs fields. Enter the URL of your N8n instance. Make sure to include REST OAuth to credential/callback at the end of your N8n URL for the redirect URI. Copy the client ID and client secret from Google Cloud, then paste them into the corresponding fields in the N8n credential setup window and click Create. A Google authorization window will pop up. Select the Google account you want to connect to N8n and grant the necessary permissions for N8n to access your Google Drive. Click Allow. And that's it. The Google Drive node is now connected to your account. You can now use the Google Drive node to perform various actions like uploading files, downloading documents, creating folders, and much more directly within your N8n workflows. Now you can automate all of your file management needs.